We're going to listen and say the word together. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn phonics with toys. We're going to listen and say the word together. Are you ready? Let's go! Word number 1 is dull. Dull. Word number 2 is car. Car. Word number 3 is ball. Ball. And word number 4 is robot. Robot. And our last word for today is teddy. Teddy. Good job. Are you ready to make a train? Say the sounds after me. Da, ka, ba, and t. Good job. Now can you say the words? Doll, car, ball, robot, and teddy. Good job, everyone. Now I'll show you a picture and you can tell me what the first sound is. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Doll. Can you tell me the first sound? That's right, it's duh. Good job. Okay, the next one is ball. Can you tell me the sound for this one? Well done, it's ba. And our last word for today is teddy. Can you tell me what sound it is? Ta. Well done. For our next activity, we're going to clap the sounds and clap the words together. Are you ready? Let's go. Da, doll. Ka, car. Ba, ball. Robot. And teddy. Excellent. Okay, let's review the sounds that we heard today. Da, ba, ka, and t. Can you remember what words go with those sounds? Da is for doll. Ba is for ball. Ka is for car. Is for robot. And t is for teddy. Well done, everyone. You did such a great job today. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Keep practicing. Bye!